Hey there, so today is 8th of March 2025, and yesterday was the last day of registration for NEET 2025, which I didn't filled the form, although I was planning to fill that form, but in the last hour I decided that the deadline will be delayed. Until now, the information is that the registration portal is closed. So, if the registration does not reopens, then I won't be having to give my NEET examinations. And in that respect, I will have nothing to be preparing of after my bachelor's final examinations, which will over on 19th of April. And I thought I will prepare for next 15 days I guess, to perform well in NEET, and probably to qualify, but the things are out of my hand right now. I know this is my habit of dealing the things till the very end, which always causes the problems, and so this problem has happened. I won't say that the situation in which I am right now is totally caused by the effect of not preparing and giving the IIT JAM examinations, but yeah, to some extent, that loss of 1800 rupees still feels bad, and that could be a reason included, but I will say that I was just wasting my time, and also my practicals are there for which I have not been studying, for which I had plans to study in future, but still I haven't started preparing for it yet. Even I am not preparing for my CUT exams, so it is all my fault right now. And to be honest, regarding the NEET form, I am not feeling that much regretful. Just feeling like what I will be doing after my final year exams. Uh, Even though I hadn't planned to pursue MBBS if I qualify in NEET, the chances of doing that are very minute. But yeah, not filling up the form does makes me kind of aimless, like what I am going to do. Even though after my final year examination, I will feel exactly that only, like what I will be doing. And not preparing for CUET examinations will surely cause a greater harm in my decision making. Since the starting of this year, I am totally into pushing myself towards the hell in terms of my future and career. All these actions, which always I do in order to stay in the comfort zone, are gradually pushing me towards the greatest downfall, which is being occurring since last 4 5 years. I will say that, and everything is my fault. I am trapped in my comfort zone, and I have to figure it out as soon as possible. But I think I won't be able to do it until my exams are over. But at that moment, I will be struggling to choose what to do in future and where to go which degree to choose or to get fully into the creative field. It's hard to say that you are the reason who is totally responsible for your downfall. In this situation, in this environment where everything is fine, only your actions are the reason and nothing else. It's hard to admit that, but not that much hard when you are sure that you will be staying in your comfort zone. Hey there. So today is 4th of May 2025, and today is the day when NEET exam is being held. And right now the timing is about 5 p.m. It is nearing to the end of the examination. I really wanted to give the NEET exam this time with full potential and in hope to easily qualify for it, getting marks more than the required cutoff. But I wasn't able to fill the form on time and delayed it. As a result, I wasn't able to fill the form, and also for all the previous years, the form fill up date was extended for at least once, but this year the extension didn't happen, and I wasn't able to do the required thing. I plan to prepare for the whole month at least and give my best efforts to get the marks above the cutoff marks, but things didn't went as planned, and this year as a whole was a shit. I mean, it hasn't ended yet, but as the year is going on, it has been a bad experience for me in the sense that I wasn't able to give the exams that I wanted, study as I thought I will be studying, and won't be getting any better colleges for my post graduations at least. And it all drowned my expectations, what I held, and it was all my choices that led to this, all my comfort zone, being in comfort zone, and not doing the things required, not doing the things on time, and just delaying it time after time. So here I am right now today, and it is kind of sad that whatever I expected, I didn't do it, and it was all controlled by me only. All the actions, all the results, consequences, they were going to be determined by my actions, and it happened so only. And right now I am still in the place where I was 4 years ago, also being aimless, not doing anything, wanting to do something, but never starting, not doing the things I should be doing, and just going with the flow, wasting the time, and spending all my time in the things that will ruin my future.